We're gonna do some magic today. First move we're gonna do is some Abra arms. They're gonna go hit, down, get spooky and get sexy, go.
Pay the toll to the angels, drawing circles in the
Do these arms bigger.
Keep your mind on the distance when the devil
God, you look good.
are wrong.
Exorcism exercise. Speed it up. Slow it down, same thing.
Save me from this empty fight. In the game of life, like a poem said,
You're doing this part slow. You are conjuring all of that confidence. Pinwheel portal. Speed this up, go.
Abracadabra, amor,
Pinwheel.
Abracadabra, orca, Gaga. Abracadabra, abra,
Pinwheel.
tongue she said, devil love tonight.
March it out. This is where you get your breath and pretend not to be tired. Exorcism exercise. Free your soul. Flow. Conjure. Pinwheel around. Whip it. Do this fast, go.
Abracadabra, amor, Abracadabra, orca, Gaga. Abracadabra, abra,
Pinwheel portal.
tongue she said, devil love tonight.
March it out. We're gonna slow this down. Abra arms. This is your last break. Exorcism slow. Practice conjuring your confidence.